Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 10th of January. The euro appears indecisive ahead of the ECB rate announcement due today at 12:45 GMT. As the ECB is expected to leave its rate unchanged, the real mover may come during President Draghi's press conference, especially after the release of yet another record high unemployment rate and rumours that France was to be downgraded 2 days ago. These rumours were officially refuted by the French Finance Ministry. The US dollar is rising against the Japanese yen for a second day, following a sharp fall at the beginning of the week. This move comes as financial markets appear reluctant to let go of their conviction that the new government in Japan will pursue and deliver a weaker yen. The 87.35 level acted as a support as we contemplated yesterday, and the pair now trades above 88. This is true for most Japanese yen counterparts, with the exporting nation's currency weakening considerably across the board since the commencement of the new year. The British pound is rising higher this morning as markets anticipate the Bank of England announcements on their asset purchasing and their lending rate. As both are expected to remain unchanged, any variation from this will move the market wildly. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 131.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 131.40. The euro-dollar pivot points at 131.40 with a preference to enter in short positions at 131.30. The dollar-yen pivot points at 86.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 86.80. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 104.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.70. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 160.90 with a preference to enter in short positions at 160.80. And the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 0.9885 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.9885. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 92.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.40. The gold pivot points at 1652 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1652. The silver pivot point at 30.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 30.15. The US 500 is at 1423 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1423. And the UK 100 is at 5960 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5960. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we have the Bank of England rate announcement forecast to remain unchanged at 0.5%. In Europe, we have the ECB rate announcement forecast to remain unchanged at 0.75%. And in the US, we have the initial jobless claims forecast at 365,000 new claims. And our interesting pair today is the US dollar Swedish krona. The US dollar managed to break above the major resistance level at 6.5650 against the Swedish krona following the European session start. As we contemplated yesterday, the pair went on to record a 3-week high at 6.5936 and has now retraced lower. Nevertheless, it still trades above the previous resistance level that appears to act as a support, and unless there is a break below this, the greenback may challenge yesterday's high again. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Madre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.